What is poppin', everyone? Welcome back to another video, another day. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Okay, so today we're actually going to be finding a new fast food restaurant. So then I started doing research and I found a guy on YouTube eating this.
If you want a chicken sandwich, you gotta go to Cobies. That's all I'm saying.
And then after that, he said this.
Cobies, you got grandma's back working back there? Let me know, man. Let me know you got a couple grandmas back there.
So that's when I knew I had to try Cobies Southern Kissed Chicken. I said it right. Southern Kissed Chicken. Let's see if it was actually kissed with Southern comfort. Okay, now before we go ahead and try all this comfort loving food, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. I'm not trying anything Southern kissed if you don't go ahead and subscribe. Did you subscribe yet? Be honest. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the prices were not that bad. It just comes down to the flavor profile. If it's a good amount of quantity and a good amount of flavor, great flavor, then we can go ahead and actually say it's a good price. All right, guys, so now we're actually outside in their patio area. It looks nice. The inside looks beautiful. I'll show you footage right now. And then we have those, of course, we have those crinkle fries. You know what I mean? You got to try those out. Okay. All right. Now, of course, we have that Nashville hot, that Nashville heat. All right, guys, look at this sandwich. Look at that chicken sandwich. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. Of course, we have to try the chicken sandwich by itself. I'm strange. Ever since that Chick-fil-A challenge with the mac and cheese on the sandwich, I have to try it with this as well. We're also going to be trying the mac and cheese by itself. Mac and cheese looks good, looks a little light. Not sure if there's a lot of seasoning in there, but we're going to check that out too. But let's go ahead and smash this sandwich real quick. Hold up. This is the Nashville Hot. Now, they say it's supposed to be the hottest choice here. It's not that hot, but that's good. That's sweet too. You have the bitterness and the sweetness all calming the spiciness of the sauce. Oh man, it's so different. The meat inside, you can see white, juicy. I could see this being a new place where people come get their chicken sandwiches. The breading on the chicken sandwich is not your normal flour. There's something else texturally going on. That's good. Okay. Let's bust into this mac and cheese looking so white and creamy. I put hand sanitizer on. I know what y'all thinking. That little nasty. I put hand sanitizer on. Relax. What's the best mac and cheese you ever had from any fast food restaurant? Mine's, in particular, is Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. I know it tastes like Stouffer's, but it's something about it. But let's try this one. Let's try it. Look at that. Look at that. How it just breaks up. Nice and creamy. Oh, pasta looking al dente. Okay. Okay, hold up. The creaminess of the cheese, I thought it was going to just feel like some oversaturated, ooh, chemically cheese. This is good. Hold up. Oh man, Chick-fil-A. It's almost similar to Chick-fil-A. It's almost similar to Chick-fil-A. The only thing is the noodles. They're more spirals, of course, but again, it's creamy. And you know it was actually cooked when you actually see some dark pieces in it. So I think that's what that guy was saying when he said your grandma was in there cooking. So,
Cobies, you got grandma's back working back there? Let me know.
Now, we have the chicken and waffles. Look at that. Chicken fingers look nice and crisp. It's a chicken spot, it better be. Look at that. See a little seasoning flakes on it. I see you. Hold up. Then you got your waffles, nice and crisp on the exterior. Look at that. A little drizzle or some. I see something crystal on here. They put sugar flake. Look at that. Before we try that chicken and waffles, I gotta go ahead and I gotta put that mac and cheese on that chicken sandwich to see how it is. Look at that. I know you didn't try it, so go ahead and try it. Look at that. I told you first, put that mac and cheese on their chicken sandwich. I told you first. Look at that. Look at that busting out that bag. Look at it busting out that bag. Woo. All right, let's go. Okay. That's good. Again, that crispy exterior is playing well with that. Ooh, them waffles. This is good. Just again, the softness of that waffle pairing so well with the crispiness and juiciness of that chicken. Everything tastes fresh. Nothing really. There's probably a few processed things in, but it don't taste, overly processed. And that's what I like when I go to a fast food restaurant. You know what I mean? I want it to be fast food, but I don't want it to taste like fast food. You know what I mean? Can't even think of a restaurant close as far as taste. People are comparing it to Zaxby's, which is a southern thing, Chick-fil-A. But I don't know. It's something about the chicken, the way it's breaded. It just stands out by itself. Now, kudos on that sugar, just softly, gently placed on the waffles. Not too much, not too less. I'm happy I came. If you're near Cobies, I definitely suggest, I will say, continue to serve fresh chicken. Don't get so big that you need to then start using injected meat and things of that nature. Continue using your fresh chicken and also try to use produce that's local. You know what I mean? I feel like you have, because the lettuce, the tomatoes, the preparation, the love that you're putting in, the ideas, everything's coming together well. Continue showing quality throughout your foods and you will continue to grow. That's it. All right, guys, we had an amazing time actually eating at Colbie's. What did we have today? We had the chicken and waffles, delicious. We had the spicy chicken sandwich, also delicious. You have to try. Yeah, what else did we try? The mac and cheese, delicious. You guys did a wonderful job on that particular cheese. But again, don't forget to go ahead and put that mac and cheese on your sandwich, and you can tell them Louie Louie told you to. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for going ahead and actually watching my videos. If you can, go ahead and subscribe. If you have subscribed already, go ahead and share. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I think with the community that we have here, I think we can do it. We can only get bigger and better, and with your help, we can do it. If everyone shares, I'm telling you, we can grow this. Thank you guys so much. We love you. Don't forget to live life, eat food, and travel. Peace.